Merry Christmas, ecopenny viewers! This time I'm going to make some environmentally friendly Christmas crackers or bonbons. So traditionally these crackers have just a little plastic trinket in them and a joke and a hat. But this time I'm going to make my own with my own thing in them. These are ready-made ones where you can pop your own little trinket in there. So I'm going to do some environmentally friendly trinkets and not some little plastic thing that's just going to get thrown out the day after Christmas and go to landfill. So let's get on with filling these crackers up with something exciting and environmentally friendly. So I've got all my stuff laid out here. So these are ready-made crackers. You can probably make your own from cardboard as well, but I'm just saving a bit of time. So these are only 15 Australian dollars for 6. So the packaging is mainly cardboard. Got a bit of plastic here which is not recyclable, which is a little bit annoying. But the actual cracker is made of cardboard, so this will be recyclable afterwards. So it comes with a joke and a hat inside. If your country doesn't have these are a traditional Christmas thing. 2 people pull it, whoever gets the biggest bit wins, and they win what's in there, and it goes bang. It's got a little bit of gunpowder on a strip. Right, so we've got a paper hat for fun, little crayon hat. So that's recyclable as well, which is great. It's traditional to have a little joke in here, so that's on paper and recyclable as well. So I'll get one out of the way. What's brown and fizzy and lives in eucalyptus trees? The answer, Coca-Cola instead of Coca-Cola. The jokes usually aren't brilliant, but anyway, I'm going to put my own trinket in. It's going to have a hat and the joke. Let's have a look at the trinkets I've got. So I've got some produce bags here, so you put your veggies and fruit in these when you're at the shops to stop using plastic single-use bags. So I'm going to put 2 of those in a cracker. There's a little example there. So all these things will be environmentally friendly and great to have. This is loose leaf tea. It's in plastic, but then you can use this little jar for something else afterwards. Oops. So I've got 4 of those of different loose leaf teas. I've got a selection of flower seeds here, so I'll fold those up and put those in a cracker. I've also got some girls' jewellery little things here, so I'm going to put those in 3 crackers. So you can make a bracelet or a necklace or whatever. So something useful and pretty that's not going to be chucked out 2 seconds after Christmas Day. So, pardon the pun, let's get cracking, making all this. happy with that end result. I've got 12 crackers ready for Christmas with more environmentally friendly novelty items instead of just plastic stuff that's just going to get thrown away the day after Christmas. So I hope you enjoyed that video filling these crackers with something environmentally sensible and fun. So have a Merry Christmas. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to ecopenny if you want to see more videos, and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.